Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for MozBar. First, you will need to install the MozBar browser extension. Navigate to your browser's extension store, like the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. Use the search bar to find MozBar and then click the Add to Browser button. Confirm the installation when prompted, and the MozBar icon will appear in your browser's toolbar, ready for the next step. Once MozBar is installed, click its icon in your browser's toolbar. This action will prompt you to either sign in or create a new Moz account. To proceed, select the option to create a free Moz community account. This account is essential for activating MozBar's core features and accessing valuable SEO metrics. The process is straightforward, requiring just a few pieces of information. To complete your Moz account registration, you will need to fill in some basic details. Start by entering a valid email address and creating a secure password. You will also be asked to provide a display name for your profile. After reviewing and agreeing to the Moz Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, click the Create Account button to finalize this part of the process. The final step involves verifying your new Moz account and logging in. Look for an email from Moz containing a verification link. Click it to confirm your registration. Once verified, return to your browser, click the MozBar icon again, and log in using your newly created Moz account credentials. With these steps completed, your MozBar will be fully activated, providing instant SEO insights as you browse.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.